So hello guys, good morning. I want to show you a quick tour of my car camping lifestyle bay. So wala to siyang edit ngayon bay, wala to siyang hipos ngayon, but basically nandito lahat is all I need to survive and to live and to thrive by peacefully. So yung mga importante ko na stuff na set up ko is basically my EcoFlow power station by. This is almost 1,000 watts hours of battery. So basically importante to sa akin because now I have the Starlink by connected. Pasensyahan nyo lang yung mga shorts ko dyan, ginapatuyo ko lang kasi bago lang ako nag laundry. And then I have my Starlink by, so basically we can go live almost everywhere as long as makita natin ang sky. And now let's go to the back by. Oh no, this one is one of my favorite tools now by. I have this portable power station, portable jumper starter by. So maka jump start na ako ng sasakyan even wherever I go. I don't need a car, I just need this. And I can only charge this through my power station as well. So basically by anytime hindi na ako pwede ma-dead battery anywhere. And then at the back by, this is my bed, brother. So meron akong camping nest. This one I use this outside in nature, but in my car I can also higda with this. And this foam right here is for my insulation. Wala ko pala na cut out. And basically I have my skate surf there, and I have my speaker, so we have a good music. Welcome to Jamrock Camp, where the thugs them compat. 2 pound na winning na Van Buck. Nandito tayo ngayon sa McDo at magluluto tayo ng fried chicken dito sa harap at kakainin natin sa loob. Let's go!
Good afternoon.
Hello, pwede maghingi lang ako ng take-out box kasi napunit yung kanina. Hello. Brother! Hi, brother! Kana. Alright, thank you. Sarap talaga ng McDo pag ikaw nagluto. Bless and love. So time check, it is 4:50 PM. I'm back in Mindanao guys, and I'm touring again. And for now my point is going to Butuan and enjoying the nature ba. As you can see by nindot kayo, I just pause right here. It's just beside the highway, but it's sunset manggod. Nindot kayo tanawon ang view, brother. Look at that by golden sunset, no? Chill lang tayo, tambay lang. So I have this ability to enjoy this time by to be out here, to be in here, the comfort of my car, but also to be out there seeing the world. Bless and love. Let's go.
May pagmata sa matag kinabuhi.
Sir, mangutana lang ko, sigurado ka sa imong ginapangingon.
Sa ating son kinabuhi, ang Diyos
Murag sigurado siya bay.